Technology to get targeted color temperature, unit K, by adjusting RGB color, which composes white color.
Samsung uses the Color Expert software program to conduct color calibration by adjusting the RGB values.
Color Expert program. This program corrects LFD color to the color that users want. Match several LFD's color to equal level for the video wall. Main function: gray linearity calibration, local uniformity calibration, white balance calibration. Calibrators supported in this program.
In this video, let's learn about the X-Rite i1 Display Pro, which is used frequently and installed easily. Here is a list of equipment for white balancing. PC. Calibrator, be sure to check the compatibility. RS-232 communication cable or LAN cable to connect with the video wall. Input signal cable. In this video, we use an RS-232 communication cable.
First, you will need to check the firmware version of the product and upgrade the latest firmware. Select Menu, then go to Support and choose Software Update. Search Firmware and start updating. You can upgrade with a USB memory stick for this model. Save the latest firmware on a USB memory stick. Connect to a USB port on the back side of the product. After upgrading, the LFD will be rebooted automatically. Second step, set up product ID and connection. How to set up connection. After RS-232 serial cable is connected, assign an ID to each product. Third step, connect equipment and install Color Expert program in PC. Run Color Expert install file and install step by step. When installation is finished, check if it is installed in the right folder below. Run Color Expert program and LFD connection setup. Select the monitor to be calibrated. Set the connection type and ID settings. Set the gamma value for gamma calibration. Gamma calibration is optional. Set the grid values for uniformity calibration. Uniformity calibration is optional. Set the luminance and color temperature for white balance on the monitor. Select Next to begin calibration. Place the calibrator on the monitor. Press Enter to start gamma calibration. After gamma calibration is completed, press Enter to start the uniformity calibration and move the calibration on the white boxes that shows on the screen. After uniformity calibration is over, press Enter to start the white balance. Check the result on the computer at the end of white balance and select Close to save the settings permanently in the monitor.